shift with one hand. I'll go to third gear, and here we go. Alright guys, we got the new TorqStorm TS84 installed on Frostbite, and she makes the boost, baby. I don't know what peak boost is going to be yet, but yeah, when you stab it, when you stab it, you get about 10 pounds real quick. That's all I'm gonna say. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's just bumping it, guys. Jeez, please. Oh. Let's see if we can make about 14 or 15 pounds on a stock 5.7 real quick. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I think it's gonna make more than that, but we're gonna let out at about 14 or 15. So let's see what happens. We're coming up to the stop sign up here, and we'll get it in about second or third gear and let it go. See what happens. Oh yeah. How fast the boost comes in now is just absolutely stupid. It is night and day difference. Night and day. So 0 is right there, 5 pounds is right there, 10 pounds is there, 15 would be pretty much to the right side of the gauge right here. So there you go. Let's see what happens. Trying to hold the phone here at the same time, so this is gonna be a little rough. Alright. Shift with one hand. I'll go to third gear, and here we go. Oh my God almighty. Mother Joker pulls like a train, boys. Holy crap, man. Yeah, I think I let out right at about 14 and some change. And it was still gonna keep making boost. Oh my God. Come on, stock 5.7, hold together, baby. We gotta make at least one pass. Oh my God. Dude, when the boost comes in right there at that 14, dude, the front end just starts picking up. Like it is making some power. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna downshift it here to third gear. See if we can whomp it one more time. I'm trying to get a gap up here. The blow off valve is so loud now. We'll let that Jeep get up there, and then we're gonna whomp it one more time. Here we go. Oh my Jesus criminy. Dude, this thing is stupid now. Oh my God. TS84 is ignorant. Ignorant. In a good way. Guys, this truck is stupid fast. We just got to cross our fingers that the stock 5.7 will take, I don't know, at least 15 pounds, maybe more when we hit the track. I have no idea. I have no idea. Jesus. Like, that is stupid. Put my phone over here. Oh my goodness, this is stupid. My legs are shaking, guys. Like, when the boost comes in, it just comes in so quick. And it just starts pulling like a freight train. It is awesome. Let me whap it one more time. All right, here we go. 14 pounds. Golly! It just feels like the truck is taking off like a plane, like lift off. Oh my God. Ooh, baby. Yeah. Holy crap. She makes the boost. Mucho busto. Wow. Looks like everything's good though. AFR looked pretty good. We got both pumps kicking in. Our 80/20 meth injection system is kicking in. I got it coming in at 4 pounds, so we got plenty of octane along with the E85 to feed this thing. So yeah, everything is kicking in like it's supposed to. I don't know. I just know it makes a lot of boost. Lots of boost now. Lots of boost. Trying to back up. Boy, I think they nailed it with the TS84R. Like, this is going to be a awesome mid-size blower that makes some serious power. No doubt about that. Woo! Holy crap. Well, let's pop the hood and check out the TS84R TorqStorm while it's sitting here idling. I know you guys want to see it. Let's check it out. Oh, gotta get my fat butt out of the truck. This ignorant boys. Look at old girl, clean up. Come on, get you some. I guess it helps to pop the hood. Oh my God. Look at her. TS84R, boys. Getting her done. Getting her done. Ooh, you know what I haven't tried yet? We haven't tried the two-step. I wonder what boost it makes on the two-step now. All right. Let's go first gear. Activate tranny brake. Trans brake activated. Boost gauge. Let's see what happens here. She made 6.5 pounds it looked like. And that's at about 4 grand on the two. Yeah, Frostbite's gonna be ridiculous. And we gotta pray to the 5.7 Hemi gods to keep her together. Because we are cramming some air down the old 5.7 right now. My neighbor's coming out because we just two-stepped it, so hopefully he don't yell at me, guys. But nah, he's pretty cool. He's got a Corvette. Little quick test here on the way back from work. This was the first drive with the TS84R. We drove it to work this morning, drove it back home. She seems to be doing it, guys. Definitely making some serious boost now. And hold tight. We're gonna hit the track here soon, hopefully in the next week or two, and try to lay down a new PB, which I don't think is gonna be a problem if everything holds together and works like it's supposed to. So as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget, give the video a thumbs up, definitely. Comment down below what you think, and we'll see you guys on the next one.